Hello everyone, welcome internet, welcome Twitch, welcome YouTube. This is going to be a live stream happening at the same time everywhere, and if I can manage, I will at the end of each week I will try to create a devlog that is not going to be a live stream. I will cut things from streams happened that week and try to patch up something that is in a shorter form, and maybe like logging the achievements or things that we have achieved that week. So I know personally, if you are not new, I am quite experimenting, testing other stuff and trying to see how I can find some formula that works within my schedule, within the realm that I am living in, because I am working a full-time job, although with flexible hours, still a full-time job responsibilities. I have a family, I have a 10-year-old son, I need to take care of house chores, etc., etc. I know I'm taking a long introduction here, but I would appreciate if you entertain yourself and bear with me and show kindness. Thank you very much. So yeah, that is why I'm trying to find some schedule, some formula that I can fit into my life. And yeah, until I land on something, I will still be experimenting. That is the point. So one thing I noticed was in April I worked quite focused, because I had an objective. I had committed to a game jam, and it was a 1 month long game jam. And I thought to myself, okay, what I can deliver in 1 month. And I had a rough idea. I had a rough plan, and even a rough one worked for me. And April was great. But then after April, I had all of a sudden lost objective, lost my way. I didn't know what to do. And in April I was like going live on daily basis, very regularly. I was going live because I knew what to do. And then with May I lost some. I didn't know where to take the game. There were some bugs. I tried to clean those out, etc. But I was already kind of lost, Then some big changes happened on my job. So I thought, okay, I'm not doing very productive, very appealing streams anyway. So let's just take it a bit back. Take it a bit slow until I figure out, etc. And then I tried 3 times a week. Also that didn't work. And then I decided, okay, I need a plan. I need to plan, and I need to have some kind of concrete understanding of what I'm doing. I need to see what I am achieving. I need some drive that is keeping me in a straight line. I can deviate. That is in the nature of the things. I can change course, but still I need to be intentional with my steps, with what I do. That is personally something I need. So while I was away, I think I couldn't yeah, it wouldn't be like 2 full months, but in the last 2 months I was on and off, etc., etc. I was not regularly streaming. I was slacking. Hello, Curious was Connoisseur. Welcome, welcome. It is good to be back. I am good. I would say I was doing some preparation. I wanted to realign and find something I can sustain and support. So anyway, yeah, this is so I wasn't I was being busy while I was not streaming. I wrote this GDD, so game design document. So I have more or less a reference that I can return, and when I feel lost, I can return and realign myself. So there is something here, and then I started doing this project planning setup. I'm using the standard template in Notion about some project management tools that they're bought for that. Yeah, I created some tasks. I created sprints. I created weekly sprints where I can. My aim here is to have, at the end of each week, is to have some build that is working, more or less working. And for the first week, come on, you don't need this catching up. Okay, anyway, so for the first week, it is this week, I gave myself a rather small objective, and I feel like this can even be finished today, but we will see. I also have a lot of notes here and there. I need to somehow bring it all together in a documentation. So my point is, if I keep my head clear, if I keep my intentions, if I work with intentions, if I work with an objective, it should be easier for me to stream, and I will try to do my best for it. And as I said, I will also try to create some yes, all done in Notion. I am doing everything in Notion. Also, I will try to take notes on my notebook, and I will try to translate them into the digital, either by typing it or some other way. But so far, I have some notes going on in my notebook. I am not sure how I can show it. I have a lot of references, so I will not feel lost, hopefully. In the meantime, also I watched like people, how they are doing, how they are organizing their projects, etc., etc. Indeed, in fact, not indeed, it is in fact, one of the guys I quite liked watching, this guy. This was a great learning experience for me. He has only bunch of videos. Some of them are not for me, like these programming ones were very basic, but still the way he thinks and the way he explains was very helpful. The other guy, I liked his planning, and it also helped me a lot to get some understanding. Where was it? Oh yeah. So anyway, Godot is here. This guy has a great demo to create 3D worlds but render them like pixelated.
The final method I'll be showcasing is...
That was very nice. So yeah, I was keeping myself busy. I was getting ready for these live streams. Which one is... Okay, this is relatively new. So you see, he has this 3D world, 3D scene, but through shaders he gets like a stylized isometric view. I think I got some inspiration here waiting for me. But anyway, I just need to stop talking and start working. There are also a lot of projects I downloaded. I'm not sure how am I going to sort all these out and, you know, reference when I need them, but there are a lot of projects. Anyway, this one was also very nice. Let's go over them really quick. So this one, if I remember correctly, is just so this demo is you are this guy and you can move around. I think you can shoot, yeah. So you can shoot and each bullet is 5 gives 5 damage to the enemies. But if you take damage multiplier, it suddenly makes 10 damage. If you take a speed multiplier, suddenly your bullets are faster. I will take a very quick telephone call. So back. Yeah, this is very cool. The underlying composition logic is very cool. I don't see any more enemies to test this out. You can add particle effects. It is all composition, which is very nice. Where should we look? Oh, okay. Upgrades. It appends the composition. So if we go here, yeah. So point is, I learned a lot. I am feeling already lost. But anyway, let's start a new project. Let's call this one Godot projects. Anyway, create a folder. Let's call it Artifactum. I don't have a better name for at the moment. I will call this create. Is this? We can go with 4.3. Why not? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is a good idea. One thing I learned from Godot videos is the project structure, and it helped me a lot. Yeah. My takeaway from that videos was the folder structure. Instead of creating folders for file types or based on the file types, organizing the files based on their contextual types. How do you call it? So, for example, he was using models folder, which was to keep the data definitions, data models. And then based on those data models, there were elements folders. These elements are resources created based on those models. So yeah, it was very intuitive. Anyway, let's continue. So my first task for me is to create this project, set up some basic things. I'm gonna do this. I'm doing this thing and maybe this thing. So create a project, done. It was easy. Set up version control. Let's do it. I'm gonna go to my GitHub. Pull this one here. I'm gonna create a new repository. I didn't create one, right? Owner is me. Let's make the owner my... Can I make an organization? Let's create a new organization. Or, no, let's go here. Can I change the name on this one? Yeah, okay. Let me check my emails. Oh yeah. I am feeling the pressure to talk, which I should. I don't need it. Okay. Just relax, man. Relax. You are safe. Okay. Let's pull new image. Pull this one. Nice. Nice. Upload profile. Cool. Okay, go back to repositories. Oh, I already have a repository here. Okay, let's call this Artifactum private. I want it to be private. There's a Godot git ignore template. Sure, create. Okay, I have it now. Nice. Nice. So we come here. Now we come here. Unnamed project. Why? Name. Artifactum. Description. Description. Let's pick up the description from this page. Why not? Version. Icon. We still don't have an icon. Sure. What is in the... Main scene, background color, window. We need to set this viewport and height. Mode, windowed. Is there a tooltip? Okay, I think maximized is okay. Windowed. Yeah, let's do exclusive full screen. Mode defines how the base size is stretched to fit the resolution. No stretching. Ah, interesting. Aspect ratio keep. What is it? No description. I think we can select expand. Why not? Let's test. Where is my chat? Okay, my chat is here. Hello, Patrick. Welcome. Welcome back. Why not? Mouse cursor, no. Theme, custom font. We can set a theme for the entire project. Custom font. We can set a font. Okay. Textures nearest. I am not sure if I need that for now, but let's do it. Okay, I don't know what else. Let's save and restart. Okay, cool. So, what I was doing. Here we are. Ah, version control. So for that, I need to go into my asset libs. I need to search for Git. Godot Git plugin. I select this thing. Sure. What do we install? Godot Git plugin, Linux, macOS. Do we need these? I cannot remove them anyway. Okay, install. Installed successfully, nice. So now, reload. Version control settings. Git plugin, connect to VCS. Did it happen? I think it happened. And I can even select my things happening here. Can I find them? I'm not sure if I can find it. Let me try to grab it from... Wait, no. I don't have it. Wait. Where do I have it? Do I have it? SSH. Do I have it anywhere? I'm not sure. I don't think so. Somewhere around here. I don't remember really. SSH. Let's go to GitHub. I usually use VSL. I feel like I should have... Wait. I think for this one I have the Git plugin set up. Nice, 1 day 11 hours. I think that might be the record. I can write a script on the thing. Okay, so this has... I remember like I was able to commit from this thing. No, I don't set it, no? Okay, can I commit this? Then stage everything. Let's see. Commit message. Work increment. Whatever. Okay, we committed. Wait. Could not get default signatures. Okay, yeah. So this is also not working. This guy always here. Username, password. I think we need to go get these wherever they are. So my settings, my SSH keys. Yeah, it is here. Never used, last used, within the last 3 months. Windows SSH key location. By default, the system will save keys to home directory. Okay, where is that? Users? Public? No? Where is that? Your home directory. What is that? Okay, is this a valid place? I don't see .ssh here, so it must mean it is not created. Oh, probably I formatted this computer at least 2 times. I think that is the reason. Okay, let's go and let's get our terminal. I'm sorry, but I need to move this away. Let's get GitHub SSH generate or something. Windows. Let's do .com. Sure. No passphrase. Done. We created it. Now access denied. Why? PowerShell run as admin. Okay, done. Done. Wait, what? Users off. Gone. No such file. Okay, edit. Cool. Now we need to add this to our GitHub page. I think I know this. Okay. Anyway, we can find it here. Public. Which one is public? Oi, come on. Shit. We need to change it. Start over. Why do you show it, man? The easiest way is to just block my screen for a moment. Overwrite, yes. Okay, overridden. Now do this. Now do this. Okay, we did those stuff. Now if I go here, open this again, I copy this, go to my GitHub, settings, SSH, add new SSH key. What the hell? GitHub 299. Okay, this is edit. Add. Done. Cool. So if I go to my place here, I can do this. .ssh. What was this one? Public. Public. Private. Apply. Reload. Should be working now. I will fix my blur. Close. Hello. Okay, this is done. Okay, let's stage all. What do we have in here? We are ignoring .godot. Yeah, that makes sense. Adding add-ons. Okay, so init, commit. What happened? Could not get default signature. Was not found. Okay. Git config -- global user name equals invalid key. I envy people that they remember these from their top of their head. Git config username. Git config -- global user.name. Yes, I did that, but I put an assignment sign here. Here I show you. What I did was this, but instead it should be like that. Email. Okay, so does it work now? Init, nice. Okay, it worked. Should we try to push? Let's push. Performing push to null. Because we didn't add the remote. Let's go into our repository now. Artifactum. Repositories. There we go. Okay. Git add remote. Do I need this? Yeah. Yeah, I need to do this. Git remote add origin and then my link. Let's go to this folder. I go here, go to projects, here, open in terminal. Git add remote origin, and then where's my GitHub? Copy this, put it here. Okay. Now, yes, push to null, performing push to null. Why? Reload maybe. Not responding, come on. Why are you doing this, man? Work. Push. Okay, this push is not working. Why? Interesting. Godot git setup. I added the remote, so it must be git config, git config, get all or something, git config local, get all, git config dash dash local dash dash get all. No? What are you doing, man? Git config get all. It's not working. Git remote. Git remote. Oh, I am so lost, man. What's happening? I added the URL. Okay. Now we are not. I added this URL. Is it because of the editor beta being beta? Maybe? Master origin? Fetch? Okay, this is not working at all, which is totally weird. Why? Okay. Come on! I'm feeling Türk'üm, evet. Hoş geldin. Oh, I'm gonna do it again. PowerShell. Run as admin. This is the third time exposing your monitor is sure. GitHub SSH. Let's do it. Windows. This is getting like ridiculous. Like in Harry Potter. Okay, let's copy this. Put it here. Overwrite, yes. And this. Okay. This. Edit, yes. Why do you show it without any notice? That is stupid. .ssh open with notepad, copy this, close everything, and then go to my GitHub, add this SSH key, settings, SSH, yeah, delete this. This as well, this as well. I can delete all these. Old MacBook, old M16. Okay. Add. Nice. So we have this one. Added a new key. Sure. Start. For some reason, Godot is not working. Ah, did it work? Oh, maybe it did work. Wait, could not connect to the remote origin. Are your credentials correct? Try using pet token. Aha. Okay, you see, I can push it. Sure. So my SSH is working. That means when I use this, what is this? I don't understand. I have these. I don't need username and password. Or maybe, is this the problem? No. Okay, sure. What are modified? Can you just push, please? Okay, it is not working. Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. We can push from my beloved fork. It is not important. Let's not get stuck on that. So I want this, I want this, I want these 4 plugins. Yeah, let's put them. Close, close. Stop it. And okay, let's open it one more time. And we are losing it, by the way. For some reason everything is failing. Maybe it is the editor problem. Let's select the stable one. Oh, we got a subscriber on YouTube. Thanks for the subscription. Thanks for being subscribed. I don't know how that works. Oh! Wait. No, it didn't work. No. I committed. I can see it as a commit, but I don't think this works. It will still fail. Yeah. For some reason I can't do this. Why? Godot git plugin setup. I mean, I'm still going to use fork. Oh, what was that? It is something. Just subscribe. I think that was the message I read earlier. Thanks for the subscribing. And welcome. So I will it has been an hour of this stupid rabbit hole that I dig myself into. Let's take a quick break. I am starting a new project. I have this GDD. I wrote, to the best of my abilities, this game design document that I intend to eventually create. And then I created a project board with weekly sprints. For the first week, here is my first week sprint. I am creating the project, setting up version control. I will create a backbone structure for my project, and then I will create some kind of navigation between different modes of the game. Currently, all I can think of is main menu and then the game. So yeah, and then we will build a world and put a capsule in it that will be our player, and then write the simple character movement script, set up a camera, and yeah, I am confident that this shouldn't take too much time. I mean, I know it shouldn't take too much time, but as you can see, I can sometimes take too much time setting up Git. even this can take too much time. Yeah, that is important. Let's do it. Um, 4.2. Maybe it is 4.2, but no, it is not. Okay, I'm gonna use fork anyway. So we are gonna use fork anyway. What was here? I'm gonna take a quick phone call. Let's put these in as well. Can I rebase? What do we have here? No, did I open 4.2? Let's go to 4.3. Why not? Let's go back. For some reason, are we losing it? Oh no, it's here. Bind editor 4.2. Okay. Let's put it at the top. Beta 2. Okay. Okay. Let's rebase it here. Squash. Revert. Okay. Rebase. Unable to link. What? Resolve. These are like very interesting errors. Could not move back. I broke. Could not move back. Okay, Please move or remove them before you reset. What is that, man? That is very weird. Add-ons. Godot git plugin. Win64. This folder is empty. Folder options. Properties. No. Options. Show hidden files. There is no... What the hell? It was because the editor was open. Okay. Interesting. I will try to do the rebase again. Let's resolve. Git ignore. Let's check it out. We want this. Okay. What is this? 11 megabytes. Sure. Continue rebase. Which file? Okay. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna select this. Resolve. Okay. Nice. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. I'm gonna squash this. Okay, and now if I can push this one. I need to force push. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Cool. I'm not sure about these files, but what the hell. We did it. Godot Git plugin. I feel like I don't need this at all. I'm just gonna drop it. Because it is not working anyway. I'm gonna drop it. I'm just gonna delete this. How do I remove it? Editor. No, not the editor. Project settings. Plugins. No. Okay, I'm gonna search. Uninstall Godot Git plugin. Okay. Delete, remove, try again. No. Come on, you like me so much. Cancel, close, go here. Delete. Open it up. Version control. Version control settings. Okay. Okay, it is not there. Let's go back. Push it. Remove Git. Yes. Yeah. Squash. Okay. Nice. Very clean. All for nothing for 15 or so minutes. What 15? 50 or so minutes. We spent trying to install a plugin and then removed it after. Okay, my wife wants to speak with me. Okay. Well, at least we did it. We did version control, whatever. So let's install these 4 things. Godot state charts. What? Yep. Godot state charts. This guy. This is the guy doing the Godonier YouTube channel. Very cool. I think there are examples as well. So I'm gonna install the examples because I feel like I can benefit from them. I can learn from them. So I'm gonna install it like this. And then I'm gonna make a specific folder here. Example code or something like that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put this one here. And also yeah, I wanna move this one to here. Move this one to here. Yes. Inspector to this position. Node here. History here. Okay. This is nice. Cool. Can we save the view? Editor layout. Save. Oh, I have it. It was already set up. Cool. We did that. I want to add this example code into I want to get my VS Code as well. So would you like to? Yes. Are you gonna get the folder? No. Open folder. Select folder. Let's see. We get GD script connected. Nice. Okay, looks like it is working. So I wanna add to my wait. Didn't I have like a lot of git ignores over here? Why did we delete these? And I wanna ignore example code. Nice. And dot VS Code as well. Okay. I don't need this new script. Coolio. Next one, camera. I'm gonna use it again. Camera was, what was it called? Phantom camera. Yes, this one. Download. Phantom camera is added. Okay, we are installing everything. I cannot opt out of these. Ah, here we are. Okay. So I can choose whether or not to install the examples. Yeah, but as I said, I wanna install them and then move them to example code. Create a new folder here, Phantom camera or something like that. And then, or rather move this one here. Yes. Remove the folder, change this to Phantom camera. Cool. Interesting. Godot resource groups and Godot resources as sheets. Resource groups. This one. Download. I wonder if I need the C# folder or not. Another example thing. Install. These examples are usually very helpful. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna do a lot of inspiration from either these examples or these projects. If you think about it, and I see it from if you are watching like Godot videos on YouTube and streams on Twitch, you can see I don't want to be suggesting anything and I don't want to be naming anyone, but people are taking things from YouTube videos and kind of putting it like they have engineered it themselves. Yeah, I feel weird about it. I'm gonna move the example again, and finally we are gonna do Godot resources as sheets. Resources oh, this one. I think it is this one. Yeah, it is this one. Exactly, yeah. The GitHub page name is different. So we need this one. there are examples. Nice. Install. Okay. So reload. Shouldn't I? Oh, not the editor settings. Stupid plugins. So we want this, we want this, we want this, we want this. Close. Do I need to reload again? Save modified resources? Yes, save. Ooh, what is this? Okay, never mind. Cool. So we are almost there. This one is done. And I think it is done. Yeah, why not? One more thing is to change this to table examples, resource table. I'm gonna put it there. Why does it have... We are not tracking this folder. Do I need to say it like this? What the hell? No, I don't think so. Let's see. It is all things in the add-ons folder. Okay. I think it is fine. Okay. Okay, install necessary plugins. Push. Okay. I think we can tell this is done. So, models, elements, scenes. Yeah, I think I don't know. I don't really know what I want to do with this. Yeah, I think I want to have a like very basic navigation. Basic navigation of modes of app. What are those? These are main menu and game. Game meaning 3D world, 3D environment. Because if you think about it, I'm thinking like main menu. When you open the game from your OS, you see some welcome screen. This is standard. It says, I don't know, continue, save, load, whatever, settings, exit, things like that. Maybe an art. Yeah, we know what I'm talking about. I don't have to speak longer. That is one thing. And when you go into a game from that, either new game or load some save, you go into the game. Then some games have different modes, like they have a battle mode, and they have like planning mode, map mode, like in Bannerlords, for example. So it is also, they are also different modes. So for example, in Bannerlord you have map, I think also city management. They are more like UI. So you have a map mode and you have a third person battle mode in Bannerlords. In Hollow Knight, on the other hand, there is only one mode other than main menu, and every other thing is a UI, including the settings. Yeah, this is what I think. Yeah. So I want a controller that manages switch between these two. Yeah. I already did the same things, very similar thing. All I think the same thing here. I think it is this one. Oh. So what I have here is this runs from main scene, and main scene is just a start button. Right, it has a script, and when it is clicked it frees the queue. Wait, where is my... where is my Artifactum game? Not this one. Okay. Weird. Wait. Hello. I work in Godot. Oh. I'm not familiar. Ah, this one. Let's open it up. If I can find it. Here it is. Okay, so this is more or less the most game-like game I have made. I wonder it is working or is it like in a broken state. For the people new here in this channel, you see this is the main menu. You can new game, collect stuff. Considering my I think this is like a very, very good game. Yeah, definitely. You see, I cannot open this door. There is a lot of systems already in place here. Yeah, definitely. I think this is a very good game. And this is like the it's it's cool. What I'm gonna do. So basically the premise here is, and I will get this mechanic to the game that I will do. This I did for a game jam in a month, and this was the first ever project I have kind of made. Before that I was just randomly doing some proof of concept things, and yeah. So what the logic is here, you have this thing and you are changing it, mutating it to unlock doors. It is kind of a puzzle game, and the way you change it is through these transformations, and these are following certain rules. Like this one moves everything, every stone, I'm calling them stones, every stone to one step in the downward direction. If you are on the edge, it loops back to the top. So you see, and then we can lock this one. There is also a locking mechanism, so you can lock any stone and that is not affected by the transformation. So if we move things right, we match the door and then we can open it. So this is the game basically. Of course it is rough. There are a lot of weird things. Like for this one, if you think about the loop back, if I move everything one step up, we will get this one in the right row, and then I can move everything one step right, they will get into the leftward position, and then I can lock this one, move this one more time, rotate it until I get the correct symbol, and open the door. I can get another stone. Now I have 2 stones. With 2 stones I can go back. Now I can lock this one, move everything to the right. I can unlock this, move it twice, get them in place. Now for this one, we need to get these 2 together. And let's rotate. So this one is true now. I can lock this one. No, I need to still lock this one. Okay, now we can lock this, move these one more time, maybe one more time, and then unlock everything, move. Oh shit. Oh, my battery died. I didn't track my battery. Okay, so this is the game. That was the game. I submitted this to a game jam. And anyway, why did I come here? Oh yeah, to show the file system. So here I have the same thing. I have my scenes. No, I have my main scene here. My main scene is basically this thing. It has a reference to the gamepad, which is the game scene. But what I think is it has to have a reference to, and you see these are very stupid actually. Why do we have reset or whatever these things are? Hey dude, Prini, welcome. I didn't catch your message because I don't see it actually. I think that's an emote, that's an emote, whatever. Thanks for the emote, thanks for the message, thanks for being here. Yeah, I wanna see that emote if I can. I will try to open it up on my mobile. That emote if I can. Oh yeah, okay. It's a nice flower thing. Thanks. Live chat. Likes. Give some likes. Subscribe if you're on YouTube. Follow if you're on Twitch. Yeah. Okay, let's put it down. So you see, there is a lot of things that is supposed to be part of something else, in my opinion. But we will figure out. So let's close this one. Sure. What is this? It knows about... What is this game instance? I just... You see, it doesn't need to be there. Add child. Nah. What I think needs to happen is... Okay, what I'm gonna call is... I'm gonna call these... game modes or something. Yeah. And game modes will have a new script. No, not new script. Here we are gonna create a new scene. And we are gonna save it. This is a Node 3D main. Yes. No, this doesn't have to be Node. I'm gonna close this. This doesn't have to be. Don't say. We are gonna create a node, just a node. I don't know. It doesn't. Does it matter? I don't know. Node. Yeah. This is main. Maybe it needs to be, and we are gonna call it mod manager. Yeah, why not? Save it to the game modes, mod manager. Okay. So what I want to do with this one is simple. I want it to have export. No, add export. Main menu, which is a control, right? Yeah. to the inspector. If I save this, where is this thing? Ah. I always forget to put these. Export cannot be applied to a const. Okay. So now we have main menu. And now I can put my main menu. If you go to this one. This is a 2D. Yeah, exactly. I can put a label. We can call this title, whatever. Title can be Artifactum. Sure. What are these? Interesting. Never mind. We can also have a new. Is the resource? Is the text? Is the script? Team. I think we can create a new team. And then we can call this team.resource. Why not? So here, labels, or the entire font. Where do we change the entire font for the theme? Default font. Okay, we can do fonts, whatever. Yeah, so we have this default font size. Default font size can be 24 pixels. Why not? Override all, whatever. So this thing, label, did it grow up? Oh, I need to select team every time. Oh shit. Okay, never mind. Cool. Now we need to add a vertical. No, not vertical. Oh my god, with 6 people then raiding us. Thank you very much. Welcome, welcome, welcome guys. I was preparing while I was away. If you are wondering, of course, that was the explanation. I decided to start from scratch 6 beautiful and smart humans. Well, thank you for being here, guys. Welcome. If you don't know me, my name is Faruk. This channel is called Good XP. I want to put everything under this umbrella, all my ventures in game dev into this, which is a term that is mentioned by quantum physicist David Deutsch in one of his books. But anyway, that is extra detail, I guess. So welcome. I am a software engineer and I do game dev with the hopes or with the intentions of one day doing this full time. I started briefly after the beginning of this year. I did a lot of experimentation. I am still experimenting. I did a game jam in April. The game is not the latest version, latest build, but still some build is available in itch.io. Maybe I should update it actually. Yeah, I can update it. But anyway, then recently I did a lot of planning. I created a game design document for the game I want to make. I know you need to keep your scope small, but I couldn't help myself. I am not sure. We will see what happens. Famous last words. It doesn't apply to me. I think is like one of the more applicable last words. I think I can hopefully avoid pitfalls of scope, big scope. I don't know. I know I am inexperienced in game dev, but I couldn't keep a small scope, whatever. So this is my GDD. I plan to make it public somehow, some way, and I started a project board. I started creating tickets on it. I plan to make weekly sprints starting today, and somehow, somewhat at the end of each week I want to have a working build of a game. So I want to have weekly increments on my game, and I want to track it through this. This is what I know. This is how I feel comfortable. So I want to keep my keep something you know, something predictable in these new world journey that I am venturing in. Yeah, that was like a introduction. Okay, I took a lot of time to create the project and set up a version control, but now it is done. Now I'm doing a backbone structure kind of thing, which right now I'm doing this basic navigation of modes of the app, meaning I want to have something that is controlling main menu to game to main menu or something like that, which is small and easy enough, but we will see. Okay, so what was I doing? I was adding V-Bucks controller here. So we are adding this one. By the way, do I need to make this full rect? Okay, this is full rect. So I can make this layout mode, anchors. There is something here. Okay, I can put it top, center, whatever. And I learned from someone, if you want to have a yeah, let's put a margin actually. Let's put a margin container. And if you still want to manage space, you can put spacer elements like empty controls into the tree so that you adjust the spacing, fill in the spaces. I learned it from someone, but I don't know who. I don't remember. I'm watching a lot of videos and streams when I find time. So I'm gonna make this one also anchor to... I should start using this thing. Okay. So margin container. And then we put some margins to it. Is it team override? Margins. Does margins set up in a team? Where is it? I'm getting lost. Can you set margins in here? I don't know how this works. Can you pick this now? Okay. Control. Margin. Oh, okay. So maybe this. If this is a margin container. Margins. So we can set team margins, I think. Let's see. Nope. Oh. Oh. Okay, everything I override gets in here. So this... Oh, I see. Of course, it makes sense. You see, and it is already applied. So I do it once. So, and I only do component level overrides for something unusual. I think it makes sense. Yeah. Okay. I think I like it. Nope. So this is already saved. I don't have to click save here. I'm still feeling not comfortable with how do you say it? Godot UI, which doesn't feel intuitive to me. I don't necessarily feel intuitive. Okay, so this one we said expand. No. We say this. Oh, what happened? I think we lost it. Oh shit. Thank you, Dan, for stopping by for the raid, and I wish you a good day. I think it is very early for you, right? So you have a whole day ahead of you. So I wish you a pleasant, great, happy days. Take care. Game mode, mod manager. Yeah, we lost the control. I remember saving it, but it is gone. Wait. What is this? Mod manager. What happened there? Oh, my wife is here. Main menu. Save. Where did it go? Yeah. Is my team saved? Margin contain. Okay, it is saved. Cool, cool, cool. So main menu. Add a margin container here. Make it full rect. Add a label. Write Artifactum. Whatever. Make this one. We want this to be centered vertically at the top. We need this one to have the theme. We want this to have the theme of theme as well. Okay. Okay, let's put another V-box. This one horizontally on the center, vertically down, and then it will have a couple of buttons, I guess. Now, why do they not? Okay, this is where I am failing right now. Start the game. Why do they not respect each other? Layout. Do I need to make another V-box? Maybe. Yeah, maybe this is the problem. Okay. So this is my main menu, and my mod manager should know about the main menu, like this. Okay, I think this needs to change type. Oh, wait. I can't put a control. I can put a packed scene there, right? Maybe that is the problem. Quick load. I think I can put like this. Okay. So I can put a packed scene. And when this is just loaded, I can initialize var menu equals main menu dot instantiate and then add child menu. So whenever this runs on ready, we do that. That should be it. Yeah. Main scene is mod manager. Close. And if I do this, nice, I get my main menu. Cool. So in the future, if we put some, splash screens, things, whatever, and or whether in the first run you run this video like in Civilization kind of games, you can switch what that is. We can even call this initial first screen. Let's call it first mode. Oh, what's happening? But then, okay, never mind. I wanna first scene. Let's call it first scene. Yeah, because it might not be the main menu. Okay. We don't need this. So on ready we do that. That's cool. Then I think what I think. First scene is empty. What happened there? Main menu. Okay. Okay, here this button when pressed, we need to add a script. So main menu has a script now. This button when pressed, it should have an onPressed method. And onPressed should do it should send a packed scene to mod manager. And mod manager should instantiate that, remove the current mod and instantiate new mod. Yeah, So how can we do that? So my mod manager, so if we run this, and if I move this here, if I go to my remote, I have my root, I have, go away. Okay, I have my mod manager, and it has this main menu, and it has this bunch of stuff. So this button should know about mod manager. This we can do in two ways. Either I make it global, or this main menu can get a reference to the I mean, yeah. If we want to make global, we can make a the mod manager a global script like this. Yeah. So if this one has change scene to something like that and takes the new scene, which is a packed scene, right? And we can pass this. So what we can do is we can say var current scene, which can be a packed scene again. What is happening? Why are you... What are these? What the hell? Can I open this in my... Yeah. Mod manager. So I have this current scene. This does have a format. Oh, I remember what I wanted to do. Project settings. So in the editor, maybe navigation, file system, avoidance, no. Network, Teams. What is this? Oh, ooh. Okay, that is interesting. Fonts. Anyway, memory limits, rendering. Shader compiler. Environment. debug. GD script. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Okay, so what do we want? Unassigned variable. When set to warn or error. Use signal. These are all warn, which is nice. Ignores. Let's look at ignores. Untyped declaration. Let's do it. Hey Jones, welcome. Let's do it warn. Inferred declaration. Inferred declaration is okay, in my opinion. I think we can make this warn and we can make this error. I'm doing fine, thank you very much. I wanna say, yeah, I will officially return to streaming. I have all my plans ready. I documented a lot of stuff. I wanna keep it that way. I feel safe. How are you? I didn't catch your recent streams. I think this is important. I think this is also important. Why do you want to ignore this? If there is some kind of yeah, I think these are very nice. You haven't? Okay. What have you been up to? I hope everything is okay. Yeah, I can check it. I will put it aside. Oh. Yeah, these are very cool. What is this Kara app? These are very cool, man. Hoş geldin.
Yarım saat oldu dedim.
Aha, duydum sanırım. Şimdi kapatacağım. 2:30'da kapatırım.
Ne?
2:30'da kapatırım. Tamam. They look very cool. I like your art style. You have. I believe it is like unique. I would recognize it. Return value discarded. I think this is okay. This doesn't make sense. Anyway, this is cool. There is also something. There was also another thing. Let me see. Canvas shape. No, not these ones. Version control. No, we don't have these anymore. Import. Run. Naming. Okay. Wasn't there a setting for suggest types by default or something like that? Ah, it is doing it on 4.3 by default, I think. Like this one. When did this come back? Oh no, this is another project. I like browsing color because if you look at art on Twitter now, half of it is AI. I see. Yeah, it makes sense. I decided to uninstall everything from my phone, like Twitter, Instagram, and everything, because it takes too much time. Where am I? I am on different projects. Which project I want? This is the game. This is closet. This one? Yes, this one I want. We can close this one as well. Let's keep it. Okay. Nope. This one. Yeah, okay. So we say change scene to a child, and then we can set the current scene to first scene. So if change scene to if new scene equals to current scene, do nothing. And if current scene is not null, first free that, or should we do like we should do this? Yeah, it makes sense. Do you like Romance of the Three Kingdoms? I am not sure what that is. Kingdoms. I think I didn't play this game. Is it a game? Yeah, I remember. Is the first outbreak to create epic conflict across ancient China. I played like countless hours on Rome Total War and Medieval Total War. But that was when I was in high school, middle school, high school. Yeah. Maybe some in the university, but Total War is like Chinese Iliad. Well, you are making a hard sell, so maybe I should try it. But the problem with me and video games is I don't have time. I can't find time, really, and it is like torturing me. That is why I wanna have some kind of success, some kind of financial stability with Gamedev, if I can manage it like in a year. So I will drop everything, every other thing I do, and do this full time, and also I will play video games for research, of course. Yeah, I mean, I can take a look, but I have like countless games on my backlog already. Yeah, okay. I can take a look. Total War. What is the latest game in Total War series? Rome. Yeah, that was the... Not even Rome 2. I played Rome. This is 2013. Total War Rome. Then there was Medieval Total War. Those were the games I was playing. Pharaoh. Released in 23. Oh, interesting. I didn't play Warhammer Total Wars at all. Troy. Remastered? Oh, they did a remaster on this. Oh, very nice. Shogun. I tried to play Shogun, I think, but I didn't. It's 2006. 2004. Yeah. I remember I'm Turkish, so I was taking the Ottomans and conquering the world, which was like great. Yeah, I remember all these buildings, cities, and then like non-stop crusades. It was very cool. Anyway, I have 7 more minutes, so where are we? So this is it. Let's do a quick 3D scene. I think this works. Change scene to new scene. I think this works. So if we go back to our what is it? Come on. Where do I want to go? Ah, main menu. Yes. Here. No, this is yeah. In my main menu script, on button pressed. This button should be named start. Yeah. And we should disconnect this. I don't know what. Disconnect. On start pressed, we should have an export for start packed scene. Start scene. Should be a packed scene. I forgot to put var keyword here for some reason. So if I go to inspector, now I have my start scene. Let's create a new scene here. We call this what do we call this? Yeah, remastering medieval would be huge. Yeah, I don't want to exaggerate, but maybe 1,000 hours on that game. It was crazy. And whenever we are together with friends, we were booting up Diablo. I think it was Diablo 2. Yeah, and never finishing it, but always starting from start, playing on LAN, local LAN, which was very cool times. And also Championship Manager. Yeah, that was the game. That was another game. Not 3D. call it game. Finally we are in our game. Okay, for the moment I'm gonna just put here a mesh 3D instance, which we will put a plane mesh, right? I will just put a 3D camera here, camera 3D, yeah, and then we will pull this one. Can I do a preview? Yeah, it is fine. We can put a light source, light. What was it? Directional light? Directional light. Okay, where is it now? No preview, please. Directional light should be like this. Cool. Or even better, we can make it like this. So yeah, coming from the angle, and then let's put a capsule here for now. No, mesh 3D mesh instance 3D, move it a bit up, make it a capsule mesh. What the hell? Wait. OMG. Why is this that big? Why is the plane so small? Scale, top level. What the hell? Size 2 meter, 2 meter. So let's make it 10 meter, 10 meter. Why not? Subdivide with 1 meter. I don't know what subdivide means. Oh, you made Godot look like Unity. Yes. Yes, I did. What is this? Why this is so big? Let's make its height 1 meter and radius 0.2 meters and make it visible. If it is 1 meter, its transform can be 0.5. Yeah. So now if I check this, I need to save it. Game scene, sure. First scene, didn't I put it there? Mode manager, first scene, it is there. Didn't I save it? Okay, what's happening? Mode manager. First scene is this one. Yes. What? Okay, we are definitely having some weird behavior here. We have the first scene here. I don't understand. What do you mean? There it is, first scene. You can instantiate it. And I don't wanna do that anyway. I wanna run game scene. I wanna run this one, play the current scene. What? Did I do some unintentional? What? First scene. Okay, something very broke here. If I change the editor, is it because of the editor? Anyway, okay. Game. So, mod manager. Here, our mod manager. We have first scene, main menu, instantiating main menu, and it has What the hell is this? I really don't understand. It's packed scene. We are unpacking it, instantiating it, getting it. I really don't understand. It's here, first scene. It's empty. Load. Main menu. There it is. Save. I saved it. What do you mean? I'm so confused right now. What's happening? But why? It was just working like minutes ago. What happened? This is mod manager itself, the root node. It has an exported packed scene, and on ready I wanna just call this one. Hello. Hi, man. How are you? So nice to see you. You are always a positive force. I see you. You returned to your regular streams, which is nice. I usually lurk and don't shout, but I'm there. I have not, but I will be. I have all my plans ready. I have my game design document. Wait. I have my project board and everything. You see, very serious. I have my sprints. I have my first sprint. Sprint goal is ready. I'm there. I started from scratch. Yeah. But for some reason, I'm getting this weird null instance error. You see, I have this mod manager which will have an exported variable here. I put my main menu there, and already I just want to instantiate and edit to the scene tree. But for some reason, I'm getting this null value error. And it was working like a minute ago. I couldn't figure it out. I mean, anyway, did you open the scene in the editor? What do you mean? Like this? Should I close it? Was it because it is open? Make sure everything is working in it. Ah, okay. I think this is the problem. You are a lifesaver, man. Okay, you are right. My main menu was broken. You see, I put it here and I didn't load this one. Okay, now game scene is there. So now I'm gonna say mod manager dot change scene to start scene, and this will send the scene to mod manager and it will compare whatever. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. I think this was the broken thing. Yeah, it is a bit small, sorry about that. Let me, if I can make it like anyway, let me do it tomorrow, guys. I need to go now because otherwise my wife will be very disappointed. So I'm gonna go, but I will be back here tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Central European Time. 11:30 Central European. Please be there tomorrow. Help me. You see, I am useless without your help. Take care and bye. I'm gone.